Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're going to take a closer look at what might just be the best made with love labels out there. The 300-piece, 2-inch homemade with love stickers from TownStix. Whether you're a hobbyist, a small business owner, or someone who loves giving homemade gifts, these labels are perfect for adding that personal touch to your creations. The first thing you'll notice about these stickers is their size. At 2 inches in diameter, they're the perfect size for most jar lids, baked goods packaging, or even homemade craft containers. They fit seamlessly on mason jars, canning lids, or any surface you need to personalize. These labels are self-adhesive, making them super easy to apply. You can stick them to cards, boxes, or even gift bags with minimal hassle. No need to worry about them peeling off. The adhesive is strong enough to stay in place, yet it won't damage your items when removed. One of the standout features of these labels is the lines provided for writing. They allow you to write down exactly what's in the jar or bag, the date it was made, or a personalized message, all with pens, pencils, or markers. This makes them ideal for food packaging, homemade jam jars, or even small batch products that need clear labeling. They provide a clean and convenient writing surface that makes the whole labeling process much easier. These labels come in convenient sheets, so you can write on them before sticking them onto your jars or containers, ensuring everything is neat and tidy. Each pack contains 300 stickers, which is more than enough for multiple uses. The white or light-colored background ensures that your writing is legible and that your homemade products stand out, making them look professional yet full of that personal, handcrafted charm. The material used for these stickers is durable, so even if you're using them for items that will be handled a lot or stored for a while, they'll hold up without fading or peeling. The size, the quality of the material, and the ease of use make these stickers an excellent value for anyone who wants to add a special touch to their homemade products. If you're looking to add a personal and charming touch to your homemade gifts or products, the 300-piece homemade with love stickers are definitely a great option. They're simple, effective, and make everything you create look just a little more special. Plus, with 300 labels in each pack, you're getting great value for money. If you're interested, check out the link in the description to grab yours today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews from Product Critique. See you in the next video.